Hello everyone, hello dear crafters. Today I want to share with you this beautiful present. This is actually a gift that I put together for a friend. Look at this close by. You have a lot of texture and you have one of Spellbinders ornaments. It's a new one. It's called Nordic Ornaments. They actually have a collection on that and I will show you now what it looks like online. If you see here, they actually have a few options that go with this die. It's not just the ornaments, but they have some different ones that you can choose from. I actually only bought this one. I only bought these dies, the ornament ones, and I have been playing with it all day. Sorry about all this reflection, but there's really no way around it. But look how beautiful this die is. And my idea today, guys, is to tell you that even though when we get something like this, we immediately think cards. For me, I usually think also boxes. So I am already preparing some boxes, and on the lid I'm going to prepare something like this, similar to this. So of course these are great ideas, but this is just to show you that you can make way more with your dies and with your beautiful paper. This is something that I got at IKEA. And you can just add anything. It's a floating frame. I think that's what they call it, because here all you see is the glass. So you can have anything here, and I just thought it would be perfect for this. I love this die. So let me show you first. What we're going to do is I have tons of examples here that I will show you. But before we do that, let me show you what the dies look like in case you are interested. So you have these two, although on the front here, I don't know why they only show one of the ornaments. You actually have two, and you have all these little pieces that go with it. And you will understand when I show you. Let me just give you an idea of some of what it looks like. It's not the whole thing, but I wanted to at least put one together so that you can see, and then you can make an informed decision. This is not the whole thing, as you can tell here. You have way more things here, little pieces. But let me just zoom in, and I'm going to get some more lights here. Yeah. So there you go. So you can see this. So it's basically very easy. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put one together quickly, and then I will give you all the ideas that I came up with in terms of kinds of paper that you can use, if it's pattern paper, if it's just solid paper, and what I put together for you, how to use some embellishments too. See, I'm just gonna put some glue in here. It's really easy. I spent a few hours working on this, but basically because I wanted to make as many examples as I could, just to give you a good number of examples. But it's a very straightforward die. Look at this. So you just, and this idea here, I wanted on purpose to show you something that is outside the traditional colors of Christmas, because I love to do that, and you will see what I have been coming up with in terms of ideas. So yellow, pink, and green. I mean, green, yes, but yellow and pink, they're not necessarily Christmassy, but it is for me. I really like to play with colors when it's Christmas, just to do something different. And look how easy this is. It just goes inside, just press it with your fingers, and look how gorgeous it's turning up. And on this one, what I'm going to do, and you have this little thing here. Let me show you there. We're going to place my finger. I'm sorry about my fingers. It looks really messy right now. But you know why? Because I've been doing this all day and I have a lot of glue all over my fingers. So that's fine. Let me just use my tweezers here. And you just place this on top. And then you get this little tiny one. And that's just the big. I'm not going to put together the small one, but you're going to see loads of examples with the small one. So I don't really think it's necessary to see everything. I just wanted to give you an idea of what, in terms of work and how easy this is to put together. It's already turning up beautifully. So the last thing we're going to add is this. It's the top. There you go. So again, I always, and I'm going to show you, I know I say this a lot on my channel, that it's all about the paper. So it is. If you use nice paper, good colors, you can't really go wrong with it. Now let's get these two little tiny pearls here. And we are going to use pearls. I love to add pearls to my things. So we are going to add one here. It makes a difference, you will see. Let me get that off of there. I actually have one of those jewel pickers. It's right here, but I'm just not going to use it right now. So look at that. It makes a difference, doesn't it? So that's one. Let me put another one. I'm just going to use a little tiny bit. I put too much glue on the first one. So this one. Yeah, so the idea, guys, is to always think outside the box, as they say. I don't like that expression because it became too cliche, but that's kind of what it is. I mean, don't think just about making cards. These things, something like this, when you come up with something so beautiful like this, I mean, it has to become something else, right? And I'm just going to add another pearl right here. A little one. And then we'll be done, and then I'm going to walk you through all the other ones that I put together today, okay? So that's that, and all you need to do now, I'm just going to use this little golden kind of twine, not really ribbon, but because you can make, of course, these ornaments can turn into gift tags like this. All you need to do is just write something here, maybe from and to, and it's gorgeous. There you are. So we put one together. Now I want to show you all the ones that I've been working on today for you guys. Spent the whole day cutting paper and gluing paper, which is something I love. So let me start with this big one, okay? I'm just gonna walk through the ones that I made just to give you ideas of colors and how you can play along. I added a heart here that is not really part of this one, it's part of the other one. But look at this. You can play with gold, you play with silver. Look how gorgeous this one turned out. Again, those same colors here. Remember, I showed you this, but look at the other one. See how much you can play with colors here? You would never think about pink, right, for Christmas? Well, I do. Oh, and look at this. This is one of my favorite ones. So I use a lot of gold and I use silver here. So another one. This one is all kind of glittery, very shiny. Look at that. All the papers here, they're kind of shiny. So with the lights, kind of hard to see, but look how beautiful it is. It's a great combination. Here's another one for you with that same red. But play around with your paper, guys. And I'm going to show you. Here's yellow, yellow and pink with blue. Play with your, because the thing is, even when you get, look at this. I got this paper and I said, okay, I want the paper to really show. And that's when I say it's all about the paper, right? Because all I did was I just added this. I didn't really use the whole cover like this, see the difference? But because this paper was so beautiful, so I just wanted to add some details that came with the die. Same thing here. This was a beautiful glittery paper that I had that has some pattern too. So I just added a little bit, and that's that. And it just turned out really pretty. Here's another one, and now we're going to move to the small one, okay? The one that actually comes. So here is the tiny one. It's very pretty too. It's just another shape, but again, I used a lot of the same papers. Some of them I would take all the little pieces out. Sometimes I didn't. That same color combination. Let me show you together these two, because they're kind of mirror of each other. Look at that. Kind of opposite mirror, I guess. So very nice color combination. This one is more traditional. So you can use these as tags on cards, as gift tags, on box lids. Here's another one. And the last one is that same paper, see? That I just placed some details. So this is it for today. Can you, I mean, for those of you who know how long I spent just by looking at it, these were hours and hours, but I hope I have inspired you, and that was the idea. Let me zoom out so I can have more. My idea today was to give you ideas on how to use Spellbinders Nordic ornaments. So we have tons of examples here, and I hope it's inspiring. And again, just get out of your box and do something like this. You can use, for example, a photo frame that looks like this one. Use some, this one was actually, I didn't show you, but it's also Spellbinders. It's called reversible embossing folder, because it actually has two designs. You just have to flip it. I'll have the link below if I find it, because I bought this one such a long time ago. But add some texture too, because it makes a difference, okay? So this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are interested in buying, please use the link below, okay? I'll have the links to everything that I can find online, okay? I will even try to find the IKEA thing so that you can find it. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoy my Christmas craft fair series. This is not part of it, but that's my idea. I'm going to have videos between you know, the other videos that I already have edited for the series, okay? Have such a good time doing this, guys. It's for me, I don't know what crafting is for you, but for me it's like therapy. It's when I really disconnect from everything, and I have so much fun, and I'm glad I can share it with you. Have a great day, and I'll see you next.